Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain you the concept of linear search. What is linear search? A linear search sequentially moves through your list of elements to find a matching value. As you can see in this image, there is a queue of people standing in a row. When you want to find a particular person in the row, then you will have to start from the beginning of the list till the end of the list to find out that particular person. This is the example of linear search. Time required for searching. For linear search, you will have to consider three cases. The first is the best case, where element can be found at the first place. The next is the average case, where the element can be found somewhere in the middle. And the last case is the worst case, where the element can be found at the last place. I will explain you all these cases in detail. Consider a list of elements where the elements are 9, 2, 5, 1, 45 and 15. The key element here is 9. That means you have to search the element 9 in the list. Now, as you can see that 9 is the first element itself. So, we have found the element at the first position itself. So, when we find the element at the first place itself, it is called as the best case. The next is the average case. Consider the same list again. The key element is 1. That means we have to find out the element 1 in the list. Starting from the first element, the element 9 is not equal to 1. So we move on to the next element, which is 2. Even 2 is not equal to 1. Then the next element is 5. 5 is not equal to 1. Then the next element is 1. That means 1 is equal to 1. So we have found the element somewhere in the middle. That means this is the average case for linear search. Next is the worst case. Consider the same list again. The key element is 15. That is, we have to find out the element 15 in the list using linear search. The first element is 9. 9 is not equal to 15. The next element is 2. Even 2 is not equal to 15. The next element is 5. Not equal to 15. The next element is 1. Not equal to 15. The next element is 45. Not equal to 15. The last element is 15. And 15 is equal to 15. That means you have found the element at the last position. So, when you find the element at the last position or place, it is called as the worst case of linear search. Let us take a real life example of linear search. You can consider a name and phone number database for this. As you can see, we have 9 records of name and phone number of certain people. What we have to do is to search the name of the person whose phone number is 1874. So we start the linear search on the list. First, we find that the first phone number is 2223. 2223 is not equal to 1874. We move on to the next phone number. The next number is 1885. It is also not equal to 1874. The next is 8444. 8444 not equal to 1874. Again, next is 6552, which is also not equal to 1874. The next is 5448, again not equal to 1874. Next is 1874. It is equal to 1874. That means we have found the particular phone number. So now we have found that particular record. So the name of the person with number 1874 is Louis, as you can see in the example. I hope you have understood the concept of linear search. Thank you for watching this video.